Hello again, my YouTube friends. I get so many people asking what camera I use for my live streams. Needless to say, it's not a webcam. You just can't get the look you really want with the great depth of field using a webcam. It's just not possible. I use a DSLR camera for my live streams. My personal camera happens to be a Sony a6500, but any DSLR with an HDMI out will do just fine. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to use your DSLR camera for your live streams. And you may not even need a capture card. So let's get to it. My analytics say that 88% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. And I'm so glad that so many people are getting good value from the content that I share. But if you aren't subscribed and you're looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber or live streamer, consider subscribing and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. The easiest way to get the best quality is by using a camcord like this Elgato Cam Link here. It costs about 130 bucks on Amazon, and there is a link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you don't want to fork up the cash for a Cam Link just yet, keep watching. There may be a solution for you coming up. The best part of using a Cam Link is that it allows you to take audio directly from the camera as well. So if your DSLR has a microphone input in it, you can pair it up with a high quality microphone and never have to worry about audio sync issues on your live streams either. And this is a huge lifesaver. When you're live streaming, the less you have to worry about, the better. It also gives you superior quality video to go along with it. So to connect all this, I just connect the HDMI cable to my DSLR. Then I connect it to the other end of the Cam Link and I plug it into the USB port on my computer. And this works great on Windows and Mac. Keep in mind, you may need to go into your camera settings and turn on the HDMI output. Then, all you need to do is go into OBS and add the video capture device. You select your Cam Link, then I check Use Custom Audio Device and I select the audio from the cam card. And now I'm ready to live stream. It's that easy. There may also be another way for you if you don't want to buy a capture card. Most modern DSLR cameras come with some software that allows you to connect the camera to your computer with USB. Sony's software is called Imaging Edge, but your camera probably has something just like it too. What it does is take the USB output from the camera so you can plug it into your computer's USB port. Usually the port on the camera is micro USB, so there isn't any kind of special cable you need. You just run that cable from your camera to the USB on your computer. You may need to change some settings in your camera to activate your USB port. Then you install your camera software on the computer. Now you open the software and connect it to the camera. You should see the camera in a preview window once it's properly set up. Now let's hop into OBS and I'll show you how to set that up. In our scene, we want to click the plus and select Window Capture. Now I select the application window for the DSLR preview. I crop this up using Alt and left click and drag on my mouse. And there we go. Our DSLR is now our camera in OBS without a capture card. The downside is that the USB, at least for my Sony, doesn't carry any audio, so I need to connect the microphone to the PC directly. It also means I need to connect it separately in OBS. So under Scenes, I click the plus and select Audio Input Capture. Then I select the proper microphone input. Now be sure you work with the sync offset in advanced audio properties so your audio is properly aligned and synced up for the video. And you're all set. Now I also noticed that this may cause you to have a little bit more choppy video. And this is something that happens because the USB transfer from your DSLR may not be quite as high quality or quite as strong as what you'd get with a capture card and HDMI. But this will give you the kind of quality picture that you want, and the occasional choppiness might be something you can live with. To learn how to create custom overlays for your live stream using nothing but free software, you should check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber and live streamer, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.